Hi, this is Jeff at the Safe and Vault Store, talking today about safety deposit boxes. Who needs safety deposit boxes? Well, banks get them, casinos get them, hotels, motels get them. It's really nice because they come in different sizes. The actual openings have different sizes, as well as the clusters. We call these nests with the actual openings. They're all going to vary in size. Like I said, there's height and width different sizes, but they're all going to be 24 inches deep. We do have a company that can do custom if you needed that, but for the most part, they're 2 feet deep. So let's have a look at some of the features. So like I mentioned, they all come in different sizes. This particular one is 3 by 10 inches. They can be labeled by numbers how you want. You just let us know. Each cluster, so this has 3, has a guard key and then 2 user keys. And the 2 user keys is for each box, 1 guard key total. When you open it up, you can see that it's affixed to the door in 4 points, so extremely difficult to punch out. And each unit has its own bond box that comes in each case. So in this case, this comes here. And like I said, on the lower ones or the bigger ones, the bond box will be bigger. So with these units, you can optionally buy a base, which this is not it. It's a 3-inch lift, and it basically brings it off the floor so that you can open the unit and get the bond box out. Or in this case, you can see we just put it on kind of a pedestal, or a lot of people put them on cabinets. So very versatile. They can also be attached to each other as well as to the wall so that they can't go anywhere. And you can also just stack them. You don't necessarily have to affix them to each other. Again, this is Jeff at the Safe and Vault Store. Thank you for watching.